Hello, I'm Lauren from Gigue Tech. Today I will show you how to use the ceramic coil tank. About a top refill, pull up the capring. Second, push the capring in the direction of the arrow. Look, you will see the refill hole. Reset each component. Next, disassemble the tank. Drifty. Here you need to use a screwdriver to press the steel ball and push the capring. Unscrew the base. Okay, this is ceramic coil. Let me show you how to change your cotton. Screw the cover. Take out the old cotton. And take a new one. Put a new one onto the ceramic. You have to be careful. Put a cover onto the new cotton. Push and screw it tightly. Very tightly. No, it's very easy, but you have to be carefully. Put on the capring from the refilling hole side. Okay, push it. Press a steel ball. Okay. Drifty. Okay, done. Thank you.